What are you doing? Where are you going? You definitely have too much time on your hands. Oh my, she doodled on the floor. Ew, it got in her tail. Quit. She's so mischievous. Should we follow her? Let's go follow her. What is she going to do? You want to know what that steam is? That's my little vaporizer. You might say, what is that little vaporizer going to do? Well, look, there's the cold air return. The furnace is going to do all the work. It's going to suck it in and distribute it through the whole house, and it works. Ooh, remember I told you she likes to go play in the closet? That's the one she likes to play in. She's like, why are you stalking me? We're stalking you for a change. Stop it. You're up to no good. We're following you. We're creeping her out. You gonna laugh? Ha 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 ha. Laugh. Where are you gonna go? What are you gonna do? Where are we going? I'm following you. This is the day in the life of a bird. Where are we going? Take us. Show us. What are you into these days? Yeah? This is a video about you. We want to see what you do. Yeah? Yeah? What do you do? And then what do you do? And then what do you do? You're mischievous. And that's what she does. She gets into the oven mitt drawer, which leads her to wonderful places like the drawer next door that has the silverware in it. And there you go. That's what baby does when she leaves my shoulder during our lives.